Hello traders, Kelly254 here, and today I'm going to show you how to create this kind of a bot whereby it's a bot whereby it does not activate Martingale on the first run or on the first loss, that is on the first loss, or else it will be activating the loss on the second, third, or even fourth. It can be modified on the number of losses that it has to activate the Martingale system. So let's get started. Step 1, I'll set this bot as it is. I'll reset and then delete this cell condition, and then I'll be showing you through differs. I'll try matches, that is I'll try showing you these logic through matches. Then I'll proceed to create some few variables, that is the stake. Then we got the Martingale stake. Then we got loss count. Then we got martingale size. Then we got another block that you are supposed to set the number of losses that you want to occur so as to activate the martingale. So I'll call it loss martingale. I'll call it martingale activation loss. Activation loss, like that. Then I'll set these few variables that I've created for the stake. I'll start with this one. Then I set something like $2. Then we got the martingale size, set it to 2. Then we got the loss count, I'll set it to 0. Then we got also the we got this block, the martingale activation loss, that is it will hold the number of losses that we want to occur so as martingale to start now to be activated. So I'll say to something like I'll start with 2, meaning that when you have 2 consecutive losses, then martingale will start will be activated. Now it will activate the martingale. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to set martingale stake to stake here, like this, and then I'll attach the stake. I'll attach the martingale stake to the stake here, like that. After I do that, the prediction is supposed to be something like 2. Then I'll come to the restarting condition. This keeps on resetting to 0.35. You can create a variable and attach it right here, so it does not keep on changing. For example, I'll just create a variable called prediction, like that, and then I'll set the prediction right here. You can just set it here, like that, and then you see it has already reset to 0.35. The reason it is doing so is because I attached this block right here. I think there is a glitch somewhere, so I'll attach this one right here, like that. So the prediction, your prediction, which is 2, is the one that has been set right here, and I'll delete this one. Then we go again to the restarting condition, go to logic, then pick this block. Then if the result is loss, we need contract, then this one. If the result is a win, we need to set martingale stake to stake. Then we need to set loss count to 0. Then else if the result is a loss, we need to change the value of loss count. So we go to maths, then pick change, supposed to pick this block, change loss count by 1. Then go to logic again, pick this block, then this one. So if loss count is greater or equal to martingale activation loss, then what do? We need now to activate the martingale. So you'll set up the martingale system inside this block. So set martingale stack to, go to maths, then pick this block, then attach it right here, like this one, which is a martingale stack multiplied by martingale size, then attach it inside that block. And having done that, you already have achieved. So this is how it will be operating. I need first to explain you how it will be operating. Once we hit run, it will be running. When the result is a win, every time the loss count will be set to 0. Now when you lose, it will change the loss count from 0, this one, to 1. When you lose again, it will change the loss count. When you lose the second time, it will change the loss count from 1 to 2. That is if you lose consecutively. Once you lose the first run and you lose and you win, then it will reset the loss count to 0. Once you lose 2 consecutive times, the first time it will set the loss count value to 1, and the second time it will set the loss count value to 2. And now loss count value, if is greater or equal to martingale activation loss, it will automatically activate the martingale system that you have set. So let's run this bot and see what happens. Just put it right here. It is matches, so you might lose consecutively. You can see the first 2 runs there was no martingale. You see on the third loss we had the martingale activated. You can see now the martingale is actively on. You can see on the 4th run it won, and now it reset the martingale again. It waits for 2 consecutive losses, and then on the third loss, or it already activates the martingale. So if you want, remember the one who wrote the comment requested that it be modifiable. So if you modify here, let me just reset this one. If you modify here to something like 3, now you have to go 3 consecutive losses for it to activate the martingale. So let's observe. Second, that you see no martingale. Then on the 4th one, the martingale now comes in, and now it will continuously use the martingale until you win. You can see how it is faring out. You can see if you do 5, you must hit 5 consecutive losses for it to activate martingale on the 6th run. You can see. So that's the first, second, third, 4th. You can see no martingale. We are using this stack. 5th, now the 6th should have the martingale. You can see the martingale is right there. So that's it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative content.